Hi guys, this is Sandra, and I'm an author, and this is this book that I wrote, Trails of Sorrows, Tears of Joy. It is based on actual events, especially the 2014 Supreme Court ruling where female members of the family now have a right to get a share of their father's property. You heard it here, ladies. When your father leaves you before your time, God bless fathers everywhere, good news, you're going to be okay. Isn't that awesome? And you can thank the girl in this book that I wrote, Trails of Sorrows, Tears of Joy. But it's not about that particular girl, you know. Trails of Sorrow, Tears of Joy is based on 3 stories about 3 different women who faced abuse, discrimination, and favoritism, only to rise up triumphant as strong, independent, and successful women. It's amazing, isn't it, huh? You see, we women have a knack of just taking what the world throws at us and just throw it back at them and coming back on top with a spectacular comeback. We women are just amazing that way. And you want to feel that amazingness? You want to get inspired to be cool and awesome like the women in the book? Well, you head on down to Amazon and Unlimited Kindle, or Kindle Unlimited, and get this book, Trails of Sorrows, Tears of Joy. It's available in paperback and Amazon. So, get inspired, ladies, and spread the word. Trails of Sorrows, Tears of Joy, available in paperback and Kindle, in Amazon and Kindle Unlimited. Together, women, we're going to show the world that women truly do hold up.